Alrighty guys, we're back with another one. We got a unique common roach on Tiber River. I apologize about my ceiling fan in the background, you can hear it. Um, but credit to the spot goes to my friend Ross, hang on. And the mark is -500, -44. You can spawn at Streaming Beauty and just walk upstream a little bit. And you can see you cast towards this little island. There's like a cove. You just come on the other side of this cove right there. And I was using a size 6 hook on a bottom rod with a open cage feeder with black roacher 100%. That's all you use in the mix. You just stick it in the cage feeder, and that's the day peak that I caught it in. Good luck.